Of all the world's drinking water, 1/5 is stored in one place, the Great Lakes. They're so big, they're like inland seas. So vast, they make their own weather. Without them, a large part of North America would be arid. They're filled with enough water to flood the continental United States 9 feet deep. But water levels are changing dramatically. To understand where the waters are going, you have to know where they came from and unlock the mysteries behind the Great Lakes.